Hello and welcome to Afro Digitals. My name is Paul, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to go through in order to connect to our social media ads campaign package. So when you pay for a service, we need to connect to your Instagram or your Facebook, which means we need to be advertisers or admin of your Facebook, preferably advertiser of your Facebook. Now, this is actually how it goes. Every Instagram account, every Instagram profile that runs ads is automatically connected to a Facebook page. The Facebook page that you sign up to when, or that you connect your Instagram to when upgrading your Instagram from personal to professional or creator, that page, we need to have access to the advertiser of that page, because it is through that page that we'll be able to run adverts on your Instagram. Should this be very difficult for you, then the only option available is for you to give us your Instagram login and password, with which we can remove it from the page, create a new one, add your Instagram to it, and then make you an admin of the new page that we create for you. But if releasing your Instagram login and password is a big issue, then this option that I'll show you in this video is the best to use. So enter your Facebook app like I've entered mine on your phone. I'm sure you have Facebook on your phone, and click on these three lines here. You see, it brought out the menu option. Now scroll through these. Even if you don't find it, click on see more and go to pages. See, so my pages is open. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on the fan page that you want to connect to our own ad Facebook page. Our own ad Facebook profile. So what happens is we'll give you a name, the name of somebody to add as the advertiser on your Facebook page. So when we have given you the name, now go to the process again, log into your Facebook. When you are on your own page, click on these three lines, go to pages. If pages does not appear here, click on the more that I clicked on and you will see pages. So click on pages. Okay, the pages page will open. Click on pages like this, right? So this is a page that I will use to do an example. So now we need to look for settings. Okay, so what we do here, when you are on this page again, just going through it over and over again so that you can get it. Go to, and you are on your fan page now. Click on edit page. When you click on edit page, scroll down, click on settings. You see, we are in settings now. Now through these options, go to page rules. You wait for it to open. Good. Now this is page rules. So now we need to now add the name of the person that we will give to you as the advertiser. So click on add person and type the name. For now we use this name, Onyekaba Amarachi. Okay, the Onyekaba Amarachi Chidema. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth name is the name of the person. So you see, these are the options: admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst. Admin, so If it's for your own page, you either choose advertiser or you choose admin, and then click on add. For me, I want to add as admin, so I'll click on admin. It is added as admin. Oyekaba is added as admin. So once you have done this and it shows this information, pending people, Oyekaba Chidimma Amarachi as admin or advertiser, let us know, right? Inform us. We will confirm it at our own end. And mind you, this is a one-time thing. You won't be doing this again. So anytime you want to run ads, you go to afrodigitals.com, you place order for the number of days you want to run the ads, you submit the link of the ads you want to run. We will run the ads immediately. We won't have to ask you to connect anything again. So this process, you have to go through it once and for all, and then we'll be able to run your ads continuously. So hope you understand this video. If you have any questions, you can ask us on our WhatsApp group or through the support platform on our website. Thank you very much once again, and have a nice day.